A scenic drive along the winding roads of Singapore's Central Catchment area sets the tone for what feels like a journey into another world. As the city skyline gradually disappears behind dense greenery, the atmosphere becomes noticeably quieter and cooler. The road leading toward Upper Peirce Reservoir is lined with towering rain trees, thick forest canopies, and occasional glimpses of shimmering water through the foliage. Unlike many of Singapore's more frequented nature destinations, the approach to Upper Peirce Reservoir feels unhurried and secluded, offering a rare sense of escape from the urban landscape. This old Upper Thomson Road is famously associated with Singapore's early motorsport history and is best known for the legendary Devil's Bend, a notoriously challenging corner that was part of the former Singapore Grand Prix circuit. Between 1961 and 1973, this winding public road formed a key section of the Thomson Road Grand Prix circuit, attracting international races and thousands of spectators. Devil's Bend earned its ominous nickname due to the sharp turn and high speeds involved, becoming one of the circuit's most dangerous sections and the site of several serious accidents. As safety concerns grew and motorsport standards evolved, the race was eventually discontinued. Today, Old Upper Thomson Road remains a quiet, tree-lined roadway, but its curves still evoke memories of Singapore's pioneering racing era and the excitement that once echoed through the surrounding forests. The entrance gate to Upper Peirce Reservoir marks the transition from the busy urban environment into one of Singapore's most tranquil nature retreats. Surrounded by lush greenery and mature forest, the gate provides controlled access to the reservoir park and its scenic viewpoints, helping to preserve the peaceful character of the area and protect the surrounding water catchment. The reservoir park is generally open daily from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., allowing visitors ample time to enjoy the serene waters, forested landscapes, and quiet walking areas during daylight hours. Visitors are encouraged to check for any temporary closures or changes to operating hours before visiting. Upper Peirce Reservoir has a history closely tied to Singapore's efforts to secure a reliable water supply for its growing population. Originally completed in 1912 as the Peirce Reservoir and named after Robert Peirce, the reservoir was one of the island's earliest major freshwater storage facilities. As water demand increased over the decades, the reservoir was expanded and a new dam was constructed upstream in the 1970s, creating what is now known as Upper Peirce Reservoir. The original reservoir became Lower Peirce Reservoir. Today, Upper Peirce Reservoir remains an important part of Singapore's central catchment system, supplying water while also serving as a protected sanctuary surrounded by lush rainforest and rich biodiversity. Upon arrival, the reservoir reveals itself with remarkable serenity. The calm waters stretch across the horizon like a mirror, reflecting the surrounding forest and changing sky. The stillness is almost striking. Apart from the occasional rustle of leaves or distant call of a bird, there is little to disturb the peaceful atmosphere. Standing along the viewing areas, visitors are greeted by uninterrupted views of one of Singapore's most pristine freshwater reservoirs, framed by lush tropical wilderness that has remained largely untouched for decades. This inscription stone commemorating the official opening of the reservoir following its expansion. The stone records that the reservoir was officially opened by then Singapore Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew on the 27th of February, 1977. A leisurely walk along the quiet pathways reveals why this location is often considered one of Singapore's most tranquil hidden gems. The absence of large crowds allows visitors to fully appreciate the subtle sounds of nature, the gentle movement of water against the shoreline, the chorus of cicadas, and the songs of birds hidden among the trees. Sunlight filters through the forest canopy, creating shifting patterns of light and shadow that add to the reservoir's calming ambience. The surrounding vegetation feels dense and ancient, giving the impression of being far deeper in the wilderness than one actually is. As the exploration continues, there are moments when the reservoir appears almost completely untouched by modern development. The expansive water surface, bordered by thick forest, creates a landscape that feels more reminiscent of a remote nature reserve than a destination located within one of the world's most urbanized cities. Wildlife sightings are common, with long-tailed macaques occasionally appearing near the forest edge, while monitor lizards and a variety of bird species quietly inhabit the area. Their presence enhances the feeling of stepping into a thriving natural ecosystem hidden within Singapore's heartland. The experience becomes especially memorable during the golden hours of the day. In the early morning, a light mist may hover above the water while the rising sun paints the reservoir in soft shades of gold and orange. During the late afternoon, warm sunlight illuminates the forested shoreline, creating breathtaking reflections across the glass-like surface. These moments transform the reservoir into a peaceful sanctuary where time seems to slow down, inviting visitors to simply pause and appreciate the beauty of the surroundings. From the elevated pathway overlooking Lower Peirce Reservoir from Upper Peirce Reservoir, visitors are treated to a stunning panoramic view of a vast expanse of calm water nestled within an unbroken sea of lush rainforest. The reservoir appears almost untouched, its glassy surface reflecting the surrounding greenery and open sky, while layers of dense forest stretch toward the horizon. From this higher vantage point, the scene feels remarkably peaceful and remote, offering a rare glimpse of Singapore's protected Central Catchment wilderness where nature dominates the landscape and the sounds of the city seem worlds away.